Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? Today we're talking about rare and valuable buffalo nickels, also known as Indian head nickels. I don't like calling these buffalo nickels because this isn't a buffalo. This is a buffalo. This is a bison. Let's not argue over the name of these nickels. Let's just get right into this video so it all makes sense. Our first nickel is this 1938 Denver minted buffalo nickel. The mint mark is located on the back of the nickel under the words 5 cents at the bottom of the coin. Take a closer look at the legs of this bison. This is going to be really important soon when we talk about a valuable variety in a few minutes. Note that there are 2 distinct hind legs right here, and there are also 2 distinct front legs here and here. This is a nice strike, and this is exactly what the legs of this bison are supposed to look like on this nickel. This nickel was graded by Annex and came in at a mint state 64 on a scale of 1 to 70. It's not the best looking 1938D out there, but it's a good looking nickel, and this coin brought in $25 at auction. Here's a very unique 1920 Indian head nickel. You can see right away that this nickel was struck off center. It's about 25% off center. We don't know where the nickel was minted because the mint mark can't be seen due to the off-center strike. Off-center strikes are rare, but this nickel has another error that causes it to be even more rare. Do you know what the other error is? I'll give you a hint. Take a look at the color of the coin. Does the unstruck portion of the planchet look like a nickel planchet? Yep, that's right. That's a cent planchet. In addition to being struck off center, this nickel was struck on a penny planchet. This nickel was graded mint state 62 brown, and it sold at Heritage Auctions for $11,400. This is a really cool error on a 1937 Denver minted buffalo nickel. You can't tell the rare variety from the front of this coin. This is a well-struck, well-preserved 1937 nickel. Look at the detail. Now let's take a look at the back of the coin. Do you notice anything missing? This is called the 3-legged buffalo. The missing leg is the result of over-polishing of the die used to mint these coins. Even in low grades, this nickel variety is worth $475. This one, however, graded on the other end of the scale. This buffalo nickel was graded mint state 67 by NGC and sold at auction for over $85,000. Here's a 1926 San Francisco minted nickel. This nickel was graded mint state 65. A mint state 65 grade is a decent grade, but what makes this grade better is the limited release of the 1926S nickel. This is the only issue in the series with a mintage of less than 1 million, and that's why the prices of every grade for the coins in this series are off the hook. This rare nickel sold at auction for $99,000. Take a look at this 1916 buffalo nickel. You're going to want to remember this one. You can see a little bit of some gold toning near the edges of both the front and the back of this nickel. You can tell this nickel was minted in Philadelphia because there's no mint mark. The bison on the back looks bold and menacing, but the money shot is on the front of this coin. It's hard to believe that the obvious doubling of the date on the front of this coin took over 40 years to be discovered. This nickel graded mint state 63 on a scale of 1 to 70, and it's considered one of the better quality coins in its grade as indicated by the green CAC sticker right here. This rare double die nickel sold at auction for $138,000. If you want to see some more rare and valuable nickels, click on that video to the left. Thanks for watching.